Okay guys, in this video I just want to quickly let you know at this point what to expect moving forward and going ahead. So the programmers should be working away on your app. So now your job is to move forward and bring all the other pieces together while they're making your app. Okay, so this way we can be one step ahead of the game all the time, and we can bring everything together at the end as quickly as smoothly as possible. So some things ahead, you know, everyone's going to be different, so I've done my best to give everyone the basics. You can extend on that, you can make extra pages and things like that and bring extra things in depending on what your app is. So each day the programmers should be giving you a report on the progress and stuff. So each day test what they say they've done. If it's not working, let them know it's not working. And you know, if you want to add stuff and that, if you want to add like buttons or a bit of text or maybe move something, let them know as they're doing it you want those changes. But for new functions and new features and stuff like that, wait till they've got up to the end of your app and then tell them you want to add this or add that, because you'll just confuse them and slow things down. I've done it myself and it's kind of counterproductive, so try not to do that. So yeah, test daily, but you know, as you're moving ahead, maybe some of the things I've tried to put everything in order as you need to do it. Maybe some things you'll come back to, or you'll miss that bit and do the next bit. So it doesn't 100% matter if you do all that in order, but you need to get all that other stuff done so that you can bring it all together. So as you're moving ahead, doing things ahead, and they might be asking you questions and stuff like that. So stop what you're doing, work with the programmers, get them sorted out, get them done, and help them if they need help along the way. Get that done, and then go back to the stuff that you're doing further ahead. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Just keep watching them. Try not to hound them too much. Test what they're doing. And move ahead and bring all the pieces together. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to let you know at that point what to expect, and I'll see you in the next video. Moving on. Thanks guys, bye for now.